Today we are going to install the Unifi Switch 8-150W into the RM-UB-T2 from Rackmount.IT. You will need the Ubiquiti appliance and the rack mount kit. Let's open the box and see what's inside. Included in the box is the 19-inch rack mount kit, 2 bolts, 1 Torx key, and installation instructions. Remove the 4 rubber feet from the bottom of the Unifi switch. Place the switch on the rack with the connections facing towards the front. Fix the switch with the 2 bolts on the side of the appliance. Once the bolts are tightened, the appliance is secure. You are done installing the appliance on the rack mount kit. Double check to ensure all pieces are secured. Now we are ready to install the rack into a server cabinet. If you have any questions about Rackmount.IT products, visit us on the web at www.rackmount.it.